You never think you need a dash cam until you're standing on the side of the road arguing about whose fault an accident was. It's a nightmare. To save you from that headache, I bought the 5 most popular front and rear dash cams on Amazon to see which ones actually capture readable license plates and which ones are just blurry toys. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Rove R24K Dual. Starting with the Rove R24K, the first thing I noticed was the build quality. It feels substantial, not like cheap plastic. It has a nice 3-inch screen which makes aiming the camera way easier than the screenless ones. The real winner here during my testing was the night vision. I took it out on a pitch-black country road, and the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor actually picked up details in the shadows that my headlights barely reached. The 5G Wi-Fi is also legitimately fast. I downloaded a clip to my phone while sitting in the driveway without waiting forever. If you want a camera that balances great night video with an easy-to-use app, this is a solid choice to start with. Product number 2, REDTIGER F7NP. Next, I installed the REDTIGER F7NP. This one feels a bit more streamlined, designed to hide behind your rearview mirror so it doesn't block your view. Like the Rove, it uses that Starvis 2 sensor, so the 4K footage is crisp. When I reviewed the video of a license plate from a car passing me at 40 mph, it was perfectly readable, which is exactly what you need. A big plus is that it uses a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery. I parked my car in the baking sun for 4 hours, and it fired right up without complaining. If you live somewhere with extreme heat or cold, this is the one I'd trust to not swell up or fail over time. Product number 3, FAIME 3-channel dash cam. Moving on to the FAIME, this isn't just a front and rear setup, it's a 3-channel beast. Holding the main unit, it feels a bit larger because it's doing so much work. It records the front, rear, and internal channels at incredibly high resolutions. 4K plus double 2K. Most dual cameras drop the quality massively when you add channels, but this kept the footage sharp across the board. I tested the parking mode, and having that extra coverage means fewer blind spots if someone dings your door in a parking lot. It's a bit more footage to manage on the SD card, but if you are paranoid about total coverage and want to catch every angle possible, this offers the most eyes on your car. Product number 4, TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dash cam. Then I grabbed the TERUNSOUL and this one surprised me. Usually dash cams give you a great front camera and a potato for the back. But when I plugged this in, I realized it records true 4K for both the front and the rear. I drove around with this on a rainy day, and the rear footage was cleaner than the front footage of some other cameras I've used. It also has a massive 170-degree viewing angle on the front, which captured the sidewalks on both sides of the street. If getting caught-on tape evidence from behind you, like tailgaters or rear-end collisions, is your main concern, this is the only one giving you 4K quality back there. Product number 5, J-Zone's 3-channel dash cam. Finally, I tested the J-Zone's 3-channel cam. This is specifically built for people who have passengers. The main unit feels robust and houses both the front lens and an interior cabin lens. I tested this at night, and the interior camera has infrared LEDs, so even in a dark car, I could clearly see my face and the back seat. It also uses Wi-Fi 6, which made connecting to the app snappier than the older standards. For the price, getting front, rear, and interior protection is a steal. If you drive for Uber, Lyft, or just want to keep an eye on your kids in the back seat, this is the specialized tool you need. So whether you need pure 4K quality in the back, a camera that survives the heat, or one that watches the passengers, there is a good option here. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.